Leave a clear professional notification that the HVAC repair is complete and what the homeowner should expect next. When a customer is not home, start by leaving a physical note in a discreet, weatherproof place that states the work completed, the date and time, any parts replaced, and the immediate operational status of the system. Follow that with a concise phone call or a text message, depending on the customer preference recorded on file, summarizing the same details and inviting them to contact us with any questions or to schedule a follow-up. Update the customer record in the Customer Relationship Management System with a service summary that lists diagnostics performed, measurements taken, parts installed with part numbers, and any recommendations for monitoring or future service. If the repair involved safety items such as refrigerant handling, electrical corrections, or gas components, explicitly state the safety checks completed and any temporary limitations on use. Provide a clear next step such as a suggested monitoring period, what to look for in system performance, and an estimated timeline for any pending parts or additional work. Include a simple request for confirmation of receipt so we know the customer saw the notice, and offer an easy way for them to report problems, such as a direct reply to the text or a dedicated phone line. Common mistakes include leaving vague or incomplete notes that do not specify whether the system was tested after repair. So always record the post-repair test results and the observed temperatures or pressures if relevant. Another frequent issue is not aligning communication with the customer preference, which leads to missed messages, so confirm and record communication preferences during booking and honor them when notifying completion. A third problem is failing to document follow-up needs in the customer record, which causes missed callbacks, so add clear next step tasks in the Customer Relationship Management System with reminders and assign the task to a technician or scheduler. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us and other professionals show completed work and share service notes that homeowners can read. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange experiences, ask questions, and coordinate follow-up.